let's talk about the man that looked like he should be playing on a football team in that front line. The man, I don't know, y'all seen that video? The dude that jumped over the and
Looking at
tackled the
it.
judge.
Oh my
Man,
god, he
attack the
definitely
judge.
tackled the shit out of her ass,
Oh.
dog.
So,
Definitely, she was in fear for her life.
hey, for
Nah,
all y'all
she a
viewers,
G.
man, if y'all haven't seen this, I don't know what rock you living on, but 2024 just started, and some man was getting his verdict. You know, the judge was about to sentence him, and the man just said, "Nah, fuck you, bitch," and charged her, jumped over the shit, and tackled her, and he got a hold of her. I was like, where the fuck are the guards at? Where the cops? Where's
You could tell if you see the video, the dude next to her, like it was almost like he ain't think like he could get over that podium. Like he just like,
yeah.
what?
Ooh,
Oh,
it's like
you know
that's why
what
they
I'm
be
saying?
putting
Like,
these niggas in
That
handcuffs,
podium
bro.
was high.
Like that's why. Oh, why am I in handcuffs, bro? You don't put white folks in handcuffs. That's exactly why. It's because y'all
Yeah.
do shit like this.
But
Y'all,
can I
y'all
point
got
something
me
out?
fucked up. Jump over the
That
counter. Why the
podium
fuck
was
would you
6
do
feet
that,
tall.
bro? You get like more time. He's probably gonna get double the time, triple the time because of that.
I wonder what
That
his
shit dumb as
original
fuck.
charge was. Like what he's there for. You know what I'm saying?
I forgot. I think
Because
it was,
it's no way I'm doing that unless I know I got life or the death sentence right there. You know what I'm
Right.
saying?
I'm not gonna
'Cause
lie. Wasn't she talking shit though?
No,
was
she
she?
was.
I
She
didn't
was.
hear. I didn't
She
hear
did.
no shit.
So okay, this is I watched the full
down.
stream, right? The full
All right.
Break it down.
and basically, right, he during the final moments, right, he's the judge like, you know, do you have anything else left to say before we get into sentencing, right? And he was saying how he feels like, you know, he should be let off with what's it called?
A warning.
A warning, basically put on like house arrest type shit, probation.
house
He should be put on. He should be put on probation because he's been trying to change his life around. And like this is like his time to speak. The judge is like, "This is your turn to speak." And then the judge like interrupts him, like, "Have you seen?" Like he's like, I know I have, you know, my criminal history. I've been." And then the judge is like, "Have you seen your criminal history?" And then starts reading out like all his charges: assault, battery, domestic violence,
And then he just do shit.
right. And then like, right. And then and then after he finishes, right, he says something, and then she's like, "Well, I think it's about time you had a taste of something else," because he had said
of your own medicine. Or something like that, yeah.
He had said taste and something, right? And then she's like, "Well, I think it's about time we had a taste of something else." And then that's when that nigga just
And she said, "With that criminal history."
With that criminal,
because I just can't with that criminal history. That's what she said.
Yep.
I'm so dead, bro.
And then
my
he proceeds to jump. Yeah, he lost it. But see, that's the thing about it too, right? Like, his actions aren't justified, but I understand. Like, it's like, at least if I'm going to jail, at least let me cap. You know, let me cap like I'm actually doing that. Let me at least say my lie and then sentence me, right? Like, you ain't gotta like shit on my lie, like, because that's what all niggas gonna say. Like, even when you guilty, niggas gonna say like, I'm not guilty. You know, let me get my lies off.
Context is like 10 times funnier, bro. I swear to God.
But no, the judge is G though, because she was like, by any means, I have to see him again. Bring him before me.
But like, the thing is, bro, it's just like I kind of would act like that. I would say some shit like that in my head, but I wouldn't tackle her ass and do that. Like if that was me in his position and she did that to me, I'd be like, bitch, you got me fucked up, like in my brain. But I wouldn't tackle the bitch.
You can tell. Cause when she interrupted him, the nigga's head was cocked to the side like this. He was just like, the way he was looking at the judge, like, yo, any nigga that has his head cocked to the side,
something wrong with him.
Literally and figuratively, he's mentally unstable. The nigga cocked his head to the side, bro. Like, come on,
bro. God damn, fool.
But he was giving her the beats, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Listen, bro, them niggas cannot get him off of her, bro. No, that shit was crazy. Them lawyers, you can tell they don't go to the gym. That probably
that was such a great way.
They was like trying to get her. I was like, fool, if you don't grab this nigga, bro, like what's wrong with y'all?
Right.
Like, restrain this, get this nigga off, stop his hands. Don't hit this nigga, fool.
But see, the problem is also I gotta put some accountability on the judge, because if you know you sentencing a nigga, I was looking at lawyers react to it. It's like, bro, most of the time when judges sentence people, like they either have handcuffs or they have deputies standing next to them because they know they finna sentence them to like 20 years or whatever. So it's like, so the judge knew beforehand what her verdict was. Like, she didn't change her mind. Like, so why the fuck wouldn't you have the man handcuffed or at least have like deputies like standing next to him? Right. because most judges, that's what they do. Like, if they gonna be witty
Yeah,
and
that is
do all
crazy.
that shit, they gonna at least have some niggas standing next to you, so you can't do that
Right.
shit. And apparently, there's also like a button under the judge's shit
Panic
that they can
button.
press.
I heard
Yeah,
it.
yeah, and they can, yeah, because it started going off later in the clip. But
Should've
then
put a shot
deputies is
collar on
supposed to
his
like
ass.
looking at.
Hey, bro,
Press the
Shock
button.
his ass
look,
in
it might not even be her fault, but them
nah.
deputies are down there, like, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, they got officers in there to protect her, but they slaw. They have
They
to
was
be slaw.
bullshitting. They
Like,
definitely
ain't no way.
Yeah,
fired.
they was all bullshit.
Like,
I
that's
don't
not
think,
even all the way her fault, really.
Yeah.
They should have had him in handcuffs. They should have been there protecting her. Like,
But
they
my
just, I
thing
don't
is
know. They
that
just saw her getting
is
beat.
that moment right there worth everything that you're gonna get after that, bro?
No.
Because you could have went to
No.
jail, probably get whatever time you got. You
4 or
probably wasn't
5
gonna be
years.
life. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Wow.
Now he's probably not gonna. I don't see how he get
He
out
in there
of
for a
jail.
minute.
You know what I'm
He
saying?
getting his
like,
boot smoked. Well,
He done.
Well, he got his boot smoked because
you gonna
he
get
did
his stripes
It's
in that
over.
joint though. Like, dang,
On
bro,
God,
you
I
the
believe
nigga
it.
Time.
that took out the
They definitely
judge,
beat
bro.
his ass.
You that nigga,
Those
fool.
cops
Like,
definitely beat his ass.
We're
Oh,
in
yeah.
rival for one moment.
he in the
No,
hole
when
getting
he-
his ass packed
yo.
up every day.
Yo.
Yeah, when he stepped foot on the yard, bro, they gonna be saluting
they
his
the
ass.
king right there.
Right,
Oh,
we
God.
saw you jump the judge, nigga. Hey, yeah, that bitch sentenced me to 20 years. I'm glad she got her
Nigga
ass beat,
forever,
nigga.